Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Machines Wala. Today I have bought amazing offer for you. This Navratri you will get 30 to 35% off on every machine. Yes, whatever you heard, it absolutely right. This Navratri we will give you 30 to 35% discount on every machine. Let us know in this video what are those machines, how will you get the offer. Friends, the machine you are seeing, this name is garlic peeler machine. Garlic is peeled with this machine. The price of this machine is 3,07,000, but it will cost you 2,30,000 in the offer. Choose discount is being given 77,000 on garlic peeler machine. Friends, the name of the machine that you are seeing is automatic masala pulverizer. You can grind spices like turmeric, chili, coriander, etc. by this machine. The price of this machine is 3,50,000, but it will cost you 2,50,000 in the offer. Choose discount is being given 1 lakh on this machine. Friends, you can start your own business. This offer will be valid in this Navratri. Friends, first you have to pay only the booking amount for the machine. When the machine reaches your nearest transport, then you will have to make full payment for the machine. First you have to pay only the booking amount. Friends, the name of this machine is puffed rice making machine. You can make puffed rice murmura by this machine. The price of this machine is 90,000, but in the offer we will give this machine for 75,000. Choose discount is being given 15,000 on this machine. Friends, this machine name is Kurkura packing machine. You can pack kurkure, chips, spices by this machine. The price of this machine is 2,95,000, but in the offer we will give this machine for 2,10,000. Choose discount is being given 85,000 on this machine. Friends, this machine you are seeing is a pizza cone making machine. You get to see the use of this machine in many places like pizza corner, etc. Friends, with the help of this machine, you can prepare products, you can set up your own stall, and you can earn money by selling these products. Friends, as you see, in this way you can start your own business with the help of these machines. These are very useful machines. Our contact number is given in the display and description. You can call from 9 am to 6 pm. You can get detailed information about these machines. Friends, our company is situated in Bhilwara district of Rajasthan. You can come and visit our company. You can take training. Friends, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Thanks for